In this episode, we will write some short A words with blends.
The letter A has many sounds, but the short A sound makes the sound ah, like an apple.
Here's how we're going to do this. Listen for the word, pause the video, write the word, then unpause the video to check your answer. Write the word van. Check your answer. Now change van to can. Check your answer. Now add an S in front of the C. What do you have now? You're right. You have scan. Now change scan to span. Check your answer. Change the N to an M. What word do you have now? You're right. You have spam. Now change spam to slam. Check your answer. Finally, change the S to a C. What word do you have now? You're right. You have scam. Good job. You were able to write and read short A words. I hope you liked this word ladder. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.